If you are flying unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones, over a construction site, it's very likely that workers are present. Let's take a look at the FAA regulations on flying over people. Drones in Category 1 are permitted to fly over people at the takeoff and during operations while ensuring total takeoff weight doesn't surpass 0.55 pounds, and aircraft doesn't contain exposed rotation parts, propellers, that can cause lacerations. For Category 1, sustained flight over open-air assemblies is prohibited unless the operation complies with remote ID. Brief, one-time transitions over assembled gatherings are allowed. All commercial drones as of now only fit into Category 1. If you need to operate a drone during the night, you need to take additional tests and training. Also, make sure your aircraft's anti-collision lighting is turned on and visible for at least 3 statute miles with a flash rate sufficient to avoid collision. Remember, avoiding flying over people whenever possible is the safest way to go, especially in construction. Have a safe flight.